Hello guys and welcome to my new video. In this video I want to show you how I repair my ceiling light in living room. As you can see, it is one LED light and it is equipped with one remote controller where you can adjust brightness and intensity. But only after a couple of months of using, it got somehow damaged and started to work only with half of brightness and intensity. So let's remove that cover and take a look what is inside. Inside we can find two LED drivers and one remote controller receiver with rectifier bridge that is providing supply voltage for these two LED drivers. After checking if everything is connected properly, I realized that I cannot do much in this position. So I need to unscrew it and put it on my desk. Here we can see that if one side doesn't work, that means one LED driver does not work and does not provide a DC voltage for LED diodes. After removing the covers, we can see that one PCB of LED driver became a very brown, probably because it is overloaded. This is mains voltage 230 volts and it has 50 Hz because we are in Europe. Now I want to check if control unit provides a supply voltage for LED drivers. And as you can see, both of outputs are providing 3 volts and 320 volts DC. Please note that working under voltage is very dangerous. You can get hit from electrical current like I was. Now when we realize that input voltage of this LED driver is there, but output voltage is missing, let's try to find damaged components of this PCB. I did not find any damaged components, but what I have found is one cold soldering on this resistor. This cold soldering was probably caused by overheating. Only one thing what we have to do is resolder of entire PCB and put back everything as it was. And it's working. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and support this channel.